Hello, kitties at a park. Let's see what this kitty got. What is she eating? Hello, kitty cat. I don't know what you got there. That's a very, oh, it's like something cheesy. Cheesy, meaty. Looks good. You seem to be enjoying it. And I see you got a little notch in the ear, so you can spade. Nice to meet you, kitty cat. And then there's this one. Enjoying the winter sun. Look at you. You got a lovely place up here. Look at all these trees. This is so rare for Istanbul. Yeah. Nice to meet you, kitty cat. I don't see a notch. Do I see another notch? No. I don't want to bother you. I'm going to give you food in a second, okay? Oh my God. This kitty. Look at her. Hi. Hello. Nice to meet you. Yeah, you're gorgeous. You live here? You're so lucky. It's such a beautiful, beautiful park. So lovely to meet you. Yeah, you show me your bellies. Look at you. Can I give you a love? You seem to be in the mood for some love. No? Let's see. Oh, I know my shadow is covering your sun. I don't want that to happen. It was lovely to see you, fella. You're a fella. I thought you were a girl. You're a fella. Fellas enjoying the sun over there. Birds are everywhere. Love you, kitty cat. Love you, kitty cat. I need the food. No. Don't go away. It's lovely to meet you, kitty cat. I think the birds have seen the food. Oh, whoa, look at that.